Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get certified in Apple Search Ads. So yes, this video is nothing to do with Microsoft Excel, but I'm making this video on the basis of the certification from Apple. So I will show you how to get the Apple Search Ad certification. And most importantly, if you are a digital marketer, then this video will be very useful for you. So you might be wondering if I am really certified or not. Yes, I have completed my certification, so that is the reason I am making this video. So also to help you know how you can also get certified for using the Apple Search Ads. So here are few things that you should also be knowing before you get the certification. So I will be explaining you one by one, and also I will show you my Apple Search Ads certification. So the first question is, what is Apple Search Ads and how it can be useful? So Apple Search Ads are nothing but if you have an app and if you want to promote that app in the Apple Store, then Apple Search Ads will be useful for you to get the app installed. So let me take back you to the Apple website only. So here you can see this is the home page of the search ads. So using this Apple search ads, you can promote your app anywhere in the globe. So just like Google ads and Facebook ads, where we will be promoting our landing pages and website pages. In the same way, Apple search ads are dedicated for promoting your mobile apps, right? So here you can see this is the today tab, which is the home page of the App Store, and this is the search results placement, and this is a search tab placement. So here you can see these are all the ad placements where you can promote your app as well, right? So you can run campaigns for your mobile app using different ad placements and also different categories on multiple locations. So the data model for running search ads is CPT. So CPT is nothing but cost per apps. So just like how we have CPC in Google Ads, which is cost per click. In for Apple Search Ads, the model is CPT, so it is cost per tabs. This is the basic introduction about Apple Search Ads. The next thing is how to get Apple Ad Search Ad certification. So before letting you know about that, let me show you my search ad certification. So here you can see Apple Search Ad certification, and this is my certification which I have completed yesterday itself. You can see the date. So I will show you how you can also complete the certification. Here you can also download the certification, and you can also share your certification to your social channels. Right now, let me show you how you can actually get this certification done. So this is the page where you can start completing your certification. To get certified, first you need to complete all these lessons. So these lessons help you understand more briefly about what Apple search ads are. So the first lesson will help you understand what exactly Apple search ads and what how you can promote your app store and what kind of keywords can you use in the app store. So and also how can you structure your campaigns, how can you control your bids and budgets. So and also how can you create new campaigns for multiple locations and how can you maximize your campaign results with insights. So you will get end-to-end details of how to set up a campaign, how to maximize your campaign for better results. So this is where you need to complete this. So you need to complete all these lessons and then you need to write the certification exam. So and also you will get the bonus lessons when once you complete the certification exam, right? So here the third question is the certification free or paid? It is completely free. Yes, there is no the Apple Search Ad certification is completely free. Next, what is required to get certification? So basically, you will need to have an Apple ID. So if you're an Mac or iPhone or iPad user, then you will be aware of the Apple ID. So using that Apple ID, you need to first create an account in the Apple Search Ads. So after creating an account, it will ask you to enter the Apple ID. So this is for authentication purpose. So here you can see whatever the name that is there in your Apple ID, that will be used for creating your certification. So basically this Apple Search Ads certification is only applicable for Apple users. So that is the fourth question, and the last one is, what is the exam criteria? So to crack the exam, first you need to have a basic idea how search ads work. If you have idea on Google Ads, then Google Search Ads, then this exam will be very easy for you, because everything will be same. And also to pass the exam, you need to score at least 80%, and there will be around 50 questions. So if you get 80%, then you will be certified in the Apple Search Ad certification. So make sure you prepare well before you write the exam. So make sure you complete all these lessons so that you can crack the exam easily. These are the few things that you need to know, that which I showed you just now. So I hope this was useful to you, and I will also share the apps search ads link in my YouTube video. So I will display this video, and I will also share the certification URL in the video. If you also want to complete the certification, then use that link. And if you like this video, then consider subscribing to my channel so that I can make much more interesting videos. Thank you.